El Camino with a big block Chevy in it, making about 800 horse. We're going to run 3.5-inch oval pipe from the collectors through an X pipe all the way out the back. And this is going to prove to be the most challenging install that we've done here to date, is how to get those tailpipes out the back through all this suspension here. On the El Camino, as we're working our way back, we are approaching the most challenging area of the install, which is going to be in this area. We need to get this oval tube up over that cross brace and through that opening. So looking at it from the other end, there's our tube. That brace right there, we have to put our tube right through there. Once we get up to that point, we'll end up making a pair of fittings that will actually put a twist in the tubing and then running it vertically up over the axle and between the tire and the coilover.
There's our oval to oval transition.
Right side offset pipes in place. This will give you an idea of what we're up against. There's our transition. Actually, it's a twist, 3.5-inch oval, horizontal to a vertical. So we're going to have to unbolt. We have to offset up to get over the cross members. And that's where we're putting our 90-degree twist to actually take the vertical to be able to run it up over the axle in a vertical position because of the clearance it's given us between the tire and the coil over here. Here, got the system laid out on the floor here, give you a better idea of what we're working with. There's our twist. All our offsets, X pipe, we're getting ready to, we'll put this back. As wow, this thing just turned out awesome. An extremely challenging install, and I'm very pleased with how all this went in. Unfortunately, we won't be able to hear how this thing sounds at this particular time, but the install is outstanding. This is our side view. Mufflers tucked up out of the way. Again, all 3.5-inch, all oval from the collectors back to over the axle. And there we transition back to round again to get around the tire and into the mufflers.